Let's talk about how Planhat's bidirectional, real time integration with HubSpot makes life so much easier for your teams and unlocks powerful benefits for your business. With this integration, syncing data between the two platforms is effortless, ensuring your sales, marketing, and customer success teams are always in perfect alignment. Not only does this boast operational efficiency, but it also transforms your data into actionable insights, helping you deliver better customer experiences, drive growth, and improve retention. Now, let's take a closer look at how it works. Planhat's HubSpot integration allows you to seamlessly bring HubSpot data into Planhat and send Planhat data back to HubSpot. This means you can consolidate your customer data into one unified system. Gone are the days of clunky workarounds or draining your HubSpot admin's time with tedious tasks. So, what does this mean for your business? The Planhat and HubSpot integration delivers a ton of value. Because of this integration, you get a unified view of all customer data in one easy to use interface. So everything's right at your fingertips. That means better reporting and insights and improved data consistency. You can improve your scalability and efficiency through the automated processes, workflows, and alerts available in Planhat. You'll have access to powerful insights to tailor customer experiences and create more impactful interactions. For example, syncing user data back to HubSpot updates contact records and lists, enabling more personalized and targeted marketing. Plus, this connection will keep teams aligned across departments. It's not just about syncing data, it's about breaking down silos and unlocking the full potential of a customer centric organization. Now, let's walk through how to configure this integration. You'll find the HubSpot integration in Planhat's App Center in the App Library under the CRM section. Once authenticated by your HubSpot admin, you can start mapping your objects and fields. Here's the 5-step process for mapping objects. First, choose the HubSpot object and Planhat model you want to connect. For example, Planhat companies to HubSpot companies. Next, decide on the sync direction, either bidirectional, send to HubSpot, or receive from HubSpot. The sync frequency is real time, though we've built logic to occasionally buffer the movement of data if you're trying to sync a lot of data at the same time. This is done to work within HubSpot rate limits. You can also manually sync the integration as needed. Third, set the HubSpot ID reference and key for accurate mapping. Typically, this will be source ID and record ID and will be pre-populated for you. Fourth, use optional filters to sync only relevant records, like syncing paying customers or open deals. And fifth, map Planhat fields to their HubSpot counterparts and define the sync direction. This is very simple to set up, and in many cases, some required or recommended fields are automatically mapped. When mapping fields, it's important to think about which fields are relevant for your team working in Planhat. Likewise, if you still have colleagues working in HubSpot, consider which Planhat data is useful to sync back. There's no need to map every available field. Remember, the integration doesn't create fields, it syncs data between existing fields. So, if you need custom fields, make sure they're set up before mapping. And for fields like lists or multi-pick lists, ensure the labels or internal values in HubSpot match the values in Planhat to avoid sync issues. You can choose which HubSpot value you use up here at the top. Note that load fields will update the fields available in the mapping dropdown. This is useful when new HubSpot fields are created. Once everything in that section is set, click Save. Once configured, sync data becomes part of the Planhat data model. That means you can use it alongside other Planhat data to filter for actionable insights, drive automation in workflows, and visualize data in pages or customer-facing dashboards. You can even sync Planhat end-user global filters to HubSpot marketing contact lists. This is a great way to add a personal touch to your campaigns and improve targeting. And if you run into any issues, you can use the query tool and sync logs to help troubleshoot or validate data. Ready to dive deeper? Check out our Help Center for technical guides, troubleshooting tips, and FAQs. So that's the power of the Planhat and HubSpot integration. Effortless data sync, improved collaboration, and smarter processes that help your teams work together like never before.